Please use the passenger car from 11 in the front. Passengers for the KTX Sancheong train, number 707,